my channel. My name is Priscilla Kumasi. You already know. If you are new here, subscribe. Share my videos. Today we're doing an organizational day. We're organizing the refrigerator in the house. It's been a long time coming. I've been planning to do this. So I got some racks from Amazon, refrigerator storage racks from Amazon. I think 8 compartments, and this is what it looks like, as you can see in the video above. And it's gonna help me organize our refrigerator at home. I have things scattered everywhere. So this is the box. This is what I ordered from Amazon. It's called Hujo plastic refrigerator organizers bin. So you have 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus an egg compartment. So here it is. This is how it looks. So the sizes. Is the egg compartment one. So this helps you keep your kitchen and your refrigerator clean and organized. You have a lot of space. As you can see, this is the before photos, and now you're gonna clean, wash, take all the racks, dry them in the sun because it's nice and sunny outside. You're gonna dry all the racks outside, clean them nicely, dry them nicely, and restock and put everything back to where it belongs, and use our new storage racks. Let's see how this goes. And it's reorganization on a budget. It cost me about $35 to buy the racks, plus shipping and delivery and everything. I think $54 and taxes and all that. $54. So let's clean our kitchen and let's arrange our refrigerator. Now it's soaking. I'm gonna give it some time to soak really well. Then we begin cleaning. We're gonna clean all of this, then see how we're gonna organize our new storage bins. Okay, so now that our refrigerator is clean, we've arranged everything. I'm still working on it. It's work in progress. This is just the first day, so I had to take all the racks, clean them, send them outside to go dry them in the sun. Dry them in the sun. Now I brought them back. I've reinstalled them. I still have a few to reinstall, but for now this is all I have. I'm going to show you the finished work. It's not perfect, but this is just the start. You can also organize your refrigerator or your fridge or your freezer. I got the racks from Amazon. I think I got them for $34 plus taxes and delivery and everything. I think it was about $54. So these are easy stuff you can use to organize your house and organize your refrigerator, and your kitchen is going to be very clean. It comes in a pack of 8 and an egg compartment, so 3 big ones, 2 smaller ones, 1 medium one, and 1 egg compartment. So I'm glad I got it. Yeah, so this is the finished work. These come with the refrigerator, the ones on the side here, so I just put water there. Then these are one of the ones I bought. I put some cheese and veggies here. Another one I also bought from Amazon. The third one, this is also one of the compartments. This is another one. I put a jam and ketchup and all type of dressings there. Here is also for dressings and whipped cream. This is the one for the egg compartment, and these ones already came with the refrigerator, so I just put them back. I cleaned them nicely and put them back. I still have a lot of space here I haven't used there yet. I'm still working on it. So this is the finished program. This is the finished work. How did I do? Do you like it? You come and everything is organized. I have to label some of it when I get time, but not yet. I'm gonna make some tacos, so I have my veggies there as well. Mushrooms, blueberries, so I can put some fruits down here when I want to put some fruit in the refrigerator. I have some fruits outside. I have my plums and peaches outside. I normally don't put them in the fridge. I have another space here. That's my okra stew, my tomato sauce, orange juice, water, almond milk, sour cream. I have this bunch of sour cream I like. So Brian sour cream, I have about 3 of that in this little compartment. So 3 things can fit into one of them. These are big apple sauce, mayonnaise, and some pasta sauce. These are big, so imagine the size, and they're able to fit in there nicely. So yeah, subscribe, share. I'm still working on my organizational skills, but this is a start. This is good. It's a double door fridge, so I still have a lot of space in there. Do you reward yourself after you have a fruitful day, or you do something that you set aside to do for the day and you feel good about yourself? Okay, so after I cleaned out all the refrigerator, I was like, wow, I did a good job. I took myself to the beach nearby just here, like 5 minutes drive, Charlotte Beach, and just watch this. I had fun. I was walking, taking videos and photos and all that stuff. Watch this. So I hope you like what you saw. I hope I did a good job. Subscribe, share this video. I'll see you in the next video. The name is Priscilla Kuma. Bye bye. Take care of yourself and stay positive.